Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Jordan 4 Bred 2019 stock versus UA. Now this is another sneakerhead video. Y'all know the hashtag, sneakerheads unite. Now before we get started, I want to cover some sneakerhead terminology so this way everybody knows what I'm talking about. Now there's 4 words that you're going to hear a lot in this video, and I'll break them down for you real quick. The first one is stock. Now when you hear sneakerheads say stock or dead stock, all that means is the real sneakers, official tissue. Those are the real ones that you get from the mall. You get them from Fight Club, Foot Locker, Stadium Goods, StockX, GBs, the real sneakers. But you're gonna pay that real price. The next term you're gonna hear me say is UA. And UA stands for unauthorized authentic. Now let me read the textbook definition of that, and you can Google it for yourself. Unauthorized authentic, otherwise known as UA, are shoes that are produced in the same factories using the same exact materials as the authentic product when they were commissioned by the shoe manufacturers and companies but sold by someone else. And they even use it in the sentence, get a pair of UAs if you can't blow your paycheck on stocks. So UAs, unauthorized authentics, otherwise known as fakes. And the price is going to be a lot cheaper. Now the next term you're going to hear me say is grails. Now when a sneakerhead says grails, basically that means a holy grail. So that's a pair of sneakers that a real sneakerhead wanted for a long time. Maybe they can't find their size, they don't sell them in the stores anymore, or the price is just too goddamn high. That's the holy grails. And the last word you're going to hear me say is plug. And plug just means the hookup. And I'll give you an example. The cheapest place to buy a Spigen phone case is on Amazon. So Amazon is the Spigen plug. So plug means the hookup. That's the best spot to get that product from. All right, so let's get into this. Jordan 4 Bred 2019 stock versus UA. Now let's talk about the prices. I got these today, the stocks. Now the minimum price you're gonna find the stocks for, if you got small feet, is $200. But any size over 7, you're looking at anywhere from $250 to $500. And that's right now because these are out in the stores. Once these leave the stores in a couple of weeks, the minimum price for these is gonna be $400 all the way up to $1,000. That's for the stocks. Now, for the UAs, you're gonna head over to this website called thebestkicks.com. You can find the UA Jordan 4 2019 Breds for $140. I repeat, $140. And let me show you the website real quick. All right, this is the website, thebestkicks.com. Here's the Jordan 4 Breds, $140. Now check this out. If you scroll down a little bit more, y'all seen all these sneakers on my channel except for these. Now these right here, I would call my holy grails. You see these Jordan 5 Oregon Ducks? They want $140. Look at the pictures for yourself. They look real nice. $140. Let me show you the price on these grails at StockX or at Stadium Goods. All right, now put your seatbelts on. Check this out. Those same Jordan 5 Oregon Ducks on Fight Club, $9,000. $9,000. Let's check StockX. All right, so if you take it over to StockX, those same Jordan 5 Oregon Ducks, look at the minimum asking price. $7,000. That's why these 5s are my grails, because I'm not spending $7,000, $8,000, or $9,000 for some sneakers. Take it back to thebestkicks.com. Those same Oregon 5 Ducks, the UAs, $140. And you see the pictures for yourself. If they look half as decent as the pictures, thebestkicks.com is the new plug. All right, so let's get busy. First up, the box. Now I'm not a big box collector, but some of y'all into that, so let's see what it is. Box pretty much looks similar. You got a red tag on the UA, black tag on the stocks. Both of them size 12. Same UK, same Euro sizes. Let's see. Front of the boxes look identical. This side, they both look the same. Back looks the same. So the only difference on the box is the red tag versus the black tag. Okay, so let's start off with the stocks. Now, as you can see, got these from G's. Look at the price tag on these. You can zoom in, $280. All right, $280. Check these out. Woo! Now, I got a story I'm gonna tell y'all at the end of this video. This was actually my first pair of Jordans. These are the Jordans that over 20 years ago got me hooked into the Jordan game. The difference on the 2019, you got Nike Air on the back. All right, so let's pull out the other shoe real quick. Meanwhile, inside you got the black paper, and that's pretty much it. Empty box, black paper. Now let's take a look at one shoe. Oh, this is so heat right here. Beautiful. Stars on the front. Let me do the smell test. Woo! These are the classics right here. The classics. Not to mention, not only are these the classics, they even took it back to the old school hang tag. Anybody that been in the Jordan game for a long time, you remember the old flimsy hang tag before they got the big puffy one? They brought back the old hang tag. Now, personally, I don't like this one, but it's a nice retro touch. Okay, let's take a look at the insides real quick. Let's pull these out. Okay, so you got your Air Jordan upside down, the way it's supposed to be. All right, it's supposed to be upside down. Let's see, you got red on the inside. All this beautiful nubuck material. Got your netting right here. You got your wings. Look at that flap on the back. This is crazy. All right, these is official tissue. All right, $280 on these. Now, before we do a real in-depth comparison, let's take it over to the UAs. All right, so when you open the UA box, okay, same black paper. Here's the UAs. Now, let's pull these out. Now, on a side note, I spoke to the people at the company. I actually had these for a while. They told me they actually got the old hang tags now. So this is actually a new hang tag. So if you order these now, you're gonna get the old hang tag. Let's see, let's take this out. Okay, same little, let's see. Air Jordan upside down the way it's supposed to be. Take this one out. Okay, Air Jordan upside down. Let's see, red Nike Air on the inside. Let's see. Yep, Nike Air on both. Okay. As far as the look, same stars on the front. Let's see. Plastic. Matter of fact, let me just act like if I didn't know these was UAs, would I immediately think something was fishy? Not at all. Not at all. These actually look really good. Okay, let's see. What's this? Okay, a little pack and dust. These actually look really good. Now, let's do a little comparison. All right, so let's take we'll do the left shoe on each. Okay, so here's the real and the real and the UA. Now, let's see. This wing, okay, the quality of the wing, it basically looks the same. Hold on a second. Let me get this in the frame so y'all can see for yourself. Look at this. This is official tissue right here. I'm impressed. Now let me say this. Over the years, I haven't bought a lot of UAs because the UAs haven't been up to par. If you go on Amazon right now and you put in Jordan 4 Bred 2019, these will pop up. They're gonna be about $500 or $600. Then you're gonna see some UAs for $50 from Xi Jinping, some Chinese company. Don't buy those. Those ain't UAs. Those are just 100% blatant fakes. Those are the flea market joints. They don't come with the box. You know what I'm saying? The Jumpman symbol might be upside down. Instead of a basketball, it look like Jordan got a pineapple in his hand. Don't buy those ones. These right here so far. All right, let's try to see if I can spot any real differences. Let's see, from the front, they basically look the same. I mean, a real trained sneakerhead knows exactly what to look for. But you can't tell me these don't look identical. One, almost $300 and $140. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, now look, this is just packing. This is packing. Let me wipe this down. Okay, let's take a look at the backs real quick. Look at the backs. Okay, now you can see a little bit of difference in the stitching. The stitching is not immaculate. The color tone is a little off on the UAs. A little bit off. But if you was actually wearing these, nobody's gonna know the difference. Let me explain this to y'all real quick too. Let's take a look at the other one real quick. Let's do right versus right. Here's the right shoe. Wow, this is a good job. This is a good UA job right here. Now let me tell you what I do. All right, what I do. And what a lot of sneakerheads do. When a new set of kicks come out, we do something that's called double up. All right, if you're a real sneakerhead, a real collector, you know what double up means. That means when these come out, you buy 2 pair. One for your collection and one to actually wear. But if you got a quality UA spot, you buy one for your collection and you buy a set of UAs to actually wear. All right, because if you, now keep this in mind. If you could cop these for maybe $250, $280 like I found these today, that ain't bad. But in the next couple of weeks when they're off the market, if you buy these for $600, you're not gonna be up in the club wearing them. Somebody spilling Hennessy on your new buck sneakers, you're gonna be mad. You're not gonna wear these to the beach. You're not gonna wear these to the parties. You're gonna have to baby them a little bit for $500. For $140, you buy these, you rock them to Jones Beach, they get beat up, who cares? Who cares? Because you still got the fresh, brand new ones in your collection. Now, let me give y'all some advice too, sneakerheads and non-sneakerheads. Don't buy UAs and try to sell them as official. Don't do that. Have a little class. I don't do that. Now, if you buy those Oregon Ducks for $140, don't put them on eBay for $9,000. It's not gonna work. All right, real sneakerheads that's getting ready to spend money, they gonna know. They're gonna know. Have a little class. Buy these and wear them. Now, here's another reason why you might want to buy UAs. People that have kids. If you have kids, stop buying your kids $300 sneakers for them to tear up in 2 weeks. All right, little kids, they not gonna know the difference. I hate when I go on Instagram and I see people with toddlers or people with 7, 8-year-old kids and they buying them $300 sneakers. I understand if you don't know about the UA plug, but now that you got the UA plug, save some money, especially if you got 3 or 4 kids. It might seem like nothing, but 3 or 4 kids, that's $1,000 you just spent on sneakers as opposed to $400 or $500. These are the reals. All right, let me not get them confused. Let me see which one is which. Matter of fact, just for fun, I'm gonna show you the other ones I got. Now I got these. These have been in my collection for a minute, as you can tell by the hang tag. You see how yellow that hang tag is? These are the Jumpman ones. Let's see. Where's the fake? This is the UA, and this is the Jumpman. I'm telling you, I'm sitting right in front of this camera. You could barely tell the difference. I'm 100% ordering them Oregon Ducks, and I'm ordering all of my actual kicks that I want to wear. I'm ordering from this site. I'm impressed. Let's take a look one more time. All right, so here's the UAs. Let's see the netting. Wow, they did a great job on this. Even the netting feels about the same. Now, if you really want to be Petty Roosevelt, the biggest thing you could gripe about is the color tone is a little bit off and the stitching looks a little bit different. A little bit different. But is that an extra $100 worth of difference? Hell no. All right, if I come through rocking these tomorrow, you're not going to notice the difference. So these will be in my collection. So this way, if I go to SneakerCon, I could sell these, I could trade them. They're gonna be brand new. And these ones I actually wear. Again, sneakerheads. All right, let me talk to the sneakerheads real quick. Sneakers are just like cars, all right? Once you buy that brand new car and you drive it off the lot, it depreciates, all right? The value goes down. So if you just bought these today for $300, and you wear them tonight and you put them back in the box tomorrow, you can't sell them for $300. You can't try to bump up the price 3 months from now, sell them for $500. You already wore them. You already wore them. People are gonna know. You can't do that. Leave them brand new if you plan on selling them. Like, I know a lot of people that bought 5 pairs of these. $280, that's a small price to pay, because I guarantee you in the next couple of weeks, you're gonna see these online for $500 and better. So, my advice, buy these, leave them in the box, leave them in your sneaker containers, and buy some UAs and rock the UAs. All right, when you're riding your bike, you're in the gym, rock the UAs. And like I said, when you buy them now, it's gonna come with the old school hang tag. I'll buy the Oregon Ducks this week, and when they come, I'll do a little video so y'all can see the quality for yourself. I'm impressed. Anyway, Jordan 4 UAs versus the stocks on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, how would I rate these UAs? Let me move them out the way real quick. How would I rate these UAs, honestly? Quality-wise, on a scale of 1 to 10, let's take a look at the tongues. Let's see the tongue. Yeah, the major difference that I can tell is a little bit with the color. The color, if you look close, and I'm sitting under these bright lights, the only color difference I see is this Nike Air sign is a little bit lighter gray. A little bit. But wearing them, you'll never tell. Like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, the quality on these UAs, I'm giving a solid, I'll give these a solid 8. These might be the best UAs that I've seen yet. Matter of fact, let's take it over to that. Let's take it over to this. Yep, look at this. You see, even now, I was getting ready to say something about that, but these are the officials, and it looks exactly the same. Let's see the nubuck moves. The nubuck moves on the front. Let's go. Anyway, let me not mix these up now, because now that I got the UAs, I'm actually gonna wear these probably tomorrow. These could go right up in my closet, my sneaker closet, and these could go back into the containers. Which one y'all like better? The Nike Air on the back or the Jumpman on the back? Personally, I like the Nike Air. That's old school. Anyway, Jordan 4, Bred 2019, stocks versus UAs. Hit up thebestkicks.com. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.